This is a Centuries Communities Plan, Hartford. 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,388 square feet. This one's at 331 Century Farm Drive here in Barrett Crossing. But let's go inside and take a look. So it's a big porch area. Keyless entry. Now, interesting about the Centuries community homes here in Barrett Crossing is they're going to come with all the appliances. So your washing machine and dryer will go here. Here's the garage. You can see a tankless water heater. There's extra plugs here. There's the sprinkler system, garage door opener. Inside this utility room is a closet. This home is going to come with all the blinds. They're still working in here, but it's pretty close. Microwave will go there. Range will go here. Dishwasher will go here. And the refrigerator will go there. Tile surround. Linen closet inside, that's nice. Here's bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Your dining area will go here, above these 2 lights. Your table will fit right here. Living room over here. There's the backyard. You got a 10 by 10 slab that comes with it. And here's the master. Big walk-in shower. Dual sink. Toilet has a door. This is the master closet. And there you have it. Century Communities Plan, Hartford. If you have any questions about it, let me know.